Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. This is W1 Bike Expo Series episode 03. In the first two episodes, we took a casual walkthrough across all exhibition halls. Starting from today, we officially enter the in-depth technical breakdown phase. We will thoroughly analyze W1-W5, covering international premium brands, frame craftsmanship, advanced materials, and futuristic concept bicycles. Whether you are a road cyclist, gear collector, or industry enthusiast, this episode contains massive valuable information. Let's dive straight in. Our first stop is W1. Undoubtedly, this is the premium battlefield of the entire exhibition. Top European brands including Colnago and Factor showcase their flagship models. The painting quality, carbon layup, and aerodynamic optimization represent the global industry ceiling. Many bikes here adopt new low-modulus, high-stiffness carbon fabric, improving vertical compliance without extra weight, effectively absorbing road vibration. This is the unified material upgrade for international high-end brands this year. Meanwhile, established Asian giants Giant and Merida release their new generation flagship bikes here. Giant displays the updated T-Skiar road frame, adopting in-house vacuum integral molding technology to eliminate mold lines and optimize stress distribution. Besides complete bikes, high-end wheel sets, carbon cranks, premium wheels widely apply tubeless-specific rim structure with wider inner width and upgraded resin coating for better durability. If you pursue professional racing-grade quality, W1 is your priority. If W1 is luxury collection, W2 is definitely the best budget zone for cyclists. It gathers cost-effective daily bicycles and modified parts. We can see reliable brands such as Oyama displaying portable folding bikes and entry-level road frames. A large number of original component factories are located here. This year, civilian-level craftsmanship upgrades are obvious. Matte seamless painting and one-piece forged aluminum cockpits greatly improve texture while controlling costs. Many OEM factories open retail channels this year. Plenty of Chinese independently developed differentiated wall-thickness carbon frames are exhibited here. Thicker upper tubes for stiffness and thinner lower tubes for vibration absorption. For riders who love self-building and modification, W2 is definitely worth exploring. After checking adult bikes, we step into the most healing hall. W3, this is the only exhibition area exclusively for kids' bicycles. I can clearly feel the rapid upgrading of the youth cycling industry. The biggest technological breakthrough is modified nylon polymer frame, featuring lighter weight and superior impact resistance. Besides, high-end kids' bikes are equipped with infinitely adjustable damping suspension specially tuned for children's weight. Multiple youth cycling brands display safe and colorful balance bikes. Every detail focuses on protection and riding comfort for young riders. Now we enter W4, the paradise for gear lovers. This hall covers all riding accessories from head to toe. One highlight here is Italian premium textile brand MIDI, bringing advanced cold sense fiber fabrics and ultraviolet-proof color-changing lens materials. Aerodynamic helmets adopt honeycomb porous carbon fiber lining to enhance shock absorption and air permeability. Breathable cycling socks, shock-absorbing insoles, and lightweight protective pads are also on display. Beyond wearable gears, this area showcases high-end professional maintenance equipment. Intelligent digital torque wrenches with data locking function, carbon frame anti-scratch disassembly tools, and mini high-pressure portable inflators. Some brands launch integrated home maintenance workstations for daily bike upkeep. Moreover, lightweight carbon modification parts are everywhere. Multiple factories demonstrate continuous carbon fiber 3D printing technology. Unlike ordinary brittle resin printing parts, these components maintain real carbon toughness, perfect for computer mounts and frame reinforcement. If you want lightweight upgrades and personalized tweaks, W4 cannot be missed. Lastly, we reach the most surprising W1-W5 innovation zone. This area focuses on non-mass-produced prototypes and disruptive structures, gathering the most advanced technologies and new materials of the entire exhibition. The most eye-catching exhibit is the shaft-driven concept carbon bike without a central bottom bracket. It adopts high-modulus aerospace carbon fabric and integral hollow molding to optimize force distribution. Besides, the all-new 3D printed titanium alloy frame originally applied in aerospace manufacturing is displayed here, representing cutting-edge metal processing technology. We can also see ultra-light climbing wheel sets weighing only 850 grams to 900 grams, applying ultra-thin spoke weaving and hybrid ceramic bearings. Titanium hollow bolts are widely promoted as high-end modification materials this year. Most prototypes here are not officially mass-produced, showing the future development direction of the bicycle industry. For advanced manufacturing technology, W5 has the highest gold content. Alright, that's the complete in-depth breakdown of all W halls. Briefly summarize the positioning. W1 for international racing brands. W2 for cost-effective frames and DIY parts. W3 for professional juvenile bicycles. W4 for full-range cycling gear. W5 for futuristic prototypes and black technology. In Episode 04, we will deeply dissect E-Series mass production halls and the N1 niche premium zone. We will cover Chinese wireless electronic shifting, new tire compounds, silent e-bike motors, and handmade custom frames. Stay tuned and subscribe. See you in Ep.04.